Hi, in this video we're going to show you a quick way to change the extension on a file when renaming a file. So normally when you click on a file here, you could either right click on it, rename, or you could select it, press F2, and that'll highlight the file name itself but not the extension. So if I press F2 again, it does nothing. Then I have to come here and select the extension to change it. Alright, so what we're going to do is show you how to use F2 to select either the name or extension so you could change either one. So to do so, we're going to be using the free Windhawk app. So if you are not a Windhawk user, not sure if this is worth installing it just to do this, unless you're constantly renaming file extensions. But if you're already using Windhawk, then this might be another one to add to your collection. Alright, so Windhawk is a free app you could install, and how it works is you add mods to the app itself, and then these mods change how Windows looks and how it works and different things like that. Alright, so once you install it, you'll have your home section here, which will show you your installed mods and any featured mods. Then you could go to Explore, check out some other ones, do searches, sort them, and so on. And then once you find the one you want, you just click on Details and then Install. Alright, so the one we're going to be using is called Select File Name Extension on double F2. So how you would find it, you would search for that here, click on Details, Install, then it'll be in your home section. So right now it's disabled, so we could enable it from here, or go to Details, enable it from here, and then it just shows you a description of what it does here. And this one has a setting for double pressing F2 for milliseconds, which you could change. Default's probably fine. Alright, so let's enable it. So now when we press F2 and then press it again, you can see it highlights the extension. But once you're on the extension, you can't press F2 again to go back to the name. And then you could change the extension as needed just by typing it in. And then if you change your mind, you can just come back here and disable it, or you can remove it from Windhawk altogether. So like I was saying, if you're not a Windhawk user, it might not be worth installing Windhawk just for this, but if you are, then you might want to check this out. And if you didn't know, for Windhawk, it needs to be running in your system tray down here. So if your mods ever stop working, come here and check to make sure it's running. And if not, just restart the program and it should put it back here in the system tray. Then it should also start up when you start Windows. Alright, so once again, install Windhawk. Do a search for select file name extension on double F2 in the Explorer section here. Click on Details, click on Install, make sure it's enabled, and that's all there is to it. Alright, so I'll put a link in the description where you could download Windhawk. You could try it out. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.